Hi everyone, so today in this video we will write a C program to check if the number is prime or not. First of all, we will write a program without function, and then I will write the same code inside the function and then call the function. So let us start writing. So first of all, hash include stdio.h, stdio.h, then I will write the void main. So void main, okay. Now I have to initialize three integers. So int number, the number which is given by the user, then I for the for loop to compare, and then flag. If the flag is changed, then it is non-prime. If flag is initialized to 0 only, then it is a prime number. So first of all, we have to get the input from the user. So printf, enter the positive number, and then semicolon. Then we have to write scanf. So scanf %d, and then num, because we have to store the value given by the user in the num variable. Now I have to write first condition that if the number is 0 or 1, then it is already a non-prime. So I will initialize the flag as 1. So if number is 0 or num is double equals to 1, then flag equals to, or we can say printf non-prime. Let me just change the flag only, so that I have to print only afterwards one time, non-prime. So now we will write the for loop now. First of all, I have to start with I equals to 2, because a number which is said to be prime is divisible by itself and 1 only. So I have to start from 2 until the half of the given number, because the lower half would be only giving me remainder as 0, but the greater half would be having some number as an remainder, so it is better to avoid it. So I less than I by 2, num by 2, I plus plus. So there we have to write num divided by 2. Now in the body we have to check if the remainder is 0. We have to change the flag to 1. So if num modulo I double equals to 0, then flag equals to 1, which is for non-prime, and then we have to break out of the loop. So I will use the break keyword now. So break, okay. So if the remainder is 0, then the number would not be a prime, and the flag has to be converted from 0 to 1, and break. If non-prime, then come out of the loop, okay. And after all going this for loop and if conditions, if the flag remains 0, then it would be a prime number, and if the flag was converted to 1, so it would be a non-prime. So if in the final stage, if the flag value is still 0, then the number is a prime number, then it is a prime number, okay. So if the flag is, what we can say, 0, then it is a prime number, else it would not be a prime number. Let me just write the printf. The number is a prime number over here only. I will just shift it to the new line afterwards. So %d is a prime number, and then for %d we have to give the variable name, the num, and then in else part printf %d is not a prime number. So we just copy paste this part, okay, is not a prime number. So let us run this now. Let me just, okay. Let us check this once. Okay, everything looks good. Second, we have to change this I is less than equal to num by 2. Otherwise, it won't be able to give proper output. So I have entered 4 and got 4, and 4 is not a prime number as an output. So let us now go ahead. First of all, we will make a function prototype. Copy paste all this conditions and all in the body, and then we will call the function. So void check prime and int as the parameter type. So we will write the comment as function prototype, and then we will copy paste all this from if number is double equal to 0 and 1 to this condition, and then we will cut paste this in the function body. Let me just call this first num, the number which was entered by the user. So now let us make the function body. So void check prime and then int num only, and then we will start the function body and then paste it. All this algorithm and conditions are same as before. So now let us build this and run this. Before that, I'll just cut paste the int I and flag, because we didn't initialize it in the function. It would have given me an error. Now let us run this. So first of all we will write 11. 11 is a prime number. Okay. Now let us try another one. So 10. 10 is not a prime number. Now let us try another one. So 91, which is also not a prime number. So now let us try a prime number. Okay. So let us say 73. 73 is a prime number. So now you are well aware of how to write a program for checking if the number is prime or not. So thank you guys for watching the video, and like, share and subscribe. Comment down below any programs or any queries you have so that I can resolve those. So see you all in the next video. Thank you.